Hello students, this is question number 10th of IOQM 2025 and 26 and the question here it says sum of the two real numbers is a positive integer n and the sum of their square is n plus 1012. Find the maximum possible values of n. So let's say the numbers we can assume over here as x and y. So the condition here it says that x plus y, this is being equal to n, and another condition it says that x square plus y square is going to be equal to n plus 1012. Now from here, I can just clarify the value of x into y. So x into y, we can see this is going to be equal to x plus y whole square minus x square plus y square and divided by 2. Now from here, we can see that xy, this value is going to be equal to n square minus n minus 1012 divided by 2, and this is xy. Now this is the product xy we got. We know the value of x plus y. Then we can see from here that x and y, if it is the roots of an equation, then the equation will be of the type of t square minus n times of t plus this product, that is n square minus n minus 1012 divided by 2. This will be equal to 0. Now the roots of this equation, from here we can say this has to be real and distinct, and if the roots are real and distinct, then we can see that the value of d has to be greater than or equal to 0 in that case. Then we can write this is n square minus 4 times of n square minus n minus 1012 divided by 2. This has to be greater than 0, and along with that we can see the value of n is going to be n square minus 2n minus 2024. This has to be less than or equal to 0. Then after factorizing, we can see this will be getting n minus 44, and here we'll be having n minus 46 has to be less than or equal to 0. Therefore, the value of n going to lie between 44 to 46, and if it is lying from 44 to 46, then the maximum value of n then is going to be equal to 46, and the same answer has been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as